Nova Bot is certainly one of the best trading bots out there. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use their sniping feature so you can snipe brand new meme coins launching on Pump.fun or snipe meme coins graduating over to Raydium. Now if you do want to sign up to Nova, you do need an access code. You can use code ItsRagnar or just sign up with my link down below. Help support me and obviously gives you instant access to use the bot. So if you want a full tutorial on how to get started with Nova, check out my other Nova tutorial. I will leave the link to that down below. Today we're talking specifically about their sniper features. So this is what the main menu looks like on the Nova bot. You can see they have this sniper feature. If you click on that, you need to create a new task. You then get the option to do the normal sniper or the Pump.fun sniper. Normal sniper allows you to snipe brand new liquidity pools that are being made on Raydium, so tokens that are graduating over to Raydium, while the Pump.fun sniper allows you to snipe brand new tokens launching on Pump.fun, and it gives you a few extra features when it comes to the actual sniper. Now as you can see, this is on BullX, and if I click snipe on this token right here, it says success. After I clicked snipe over on BullX and I head back to the Nova bot, you can see that it instantly shows up in the Telegram bot right here, and you can choose whichever settings you would like for this sniper. What I would recommend you do is increase the buy tip a little bit. What I'm gonna do is double the normal amount for the buy tip as well as the buy fee. You then obviously need to set which wallet you want to use. You're able to set your own take profit and stop loss. You can also choose your processor, but Jito is fine. So now that the sniper is running, this is going to snipe the token as soon as the liquidity pool goes live on Raydium. But I don't really want to buy this token, so this was just an example, so I'm going to turn off this bot again. But that's essentially how you set it up. Now let me show you what the Pump.fun sniper looks like, because in this case you get a few more options. As you can see, you're able to snipe contracts launching from specific developers. Let's say we head over to Pump.fun and you have a specific dev that is launching multiple good tokens. For example, let's go to the dev of this token. You can see that he's launched multiple meme coins. So if you have a specific dev you want to snipe his token, just copy the dev address, click on this developer option, paste his wallet address right here, and as you can see, you're now sniping only tokens launching from that specific developer address. Then you also have the option to snipe specific tickers. Let's say you're watching a live stream of a Donald Trump speech and he says something that you think is going to do well on a meme coin. For example, he says that he's launching Baron Trump token, or at least the first ticker launching with the Baron name. So just put the Baron ticker, and right now you will be sniping only the Baron ticker, essentially launching on Pump.fun. Because if you're quick into the very first Baron token launching, chances are that will most likely migrate and you can make some good money on it. And then again, you obviously need to set your own buy preferences. So you have slippage, you have buy tip, buy fee, and buy amount. You also need to set your own wallet and if you want a take profit and stop loss. But then I did also show you this feature where you can quick buy and snipe tokens directly on BullX NEO or any other trading platforms. And this is essentially the Nova Chrome extension. This essentially allows you to use any trading bot but execute the transaction using Nova, because Nova is arguably the fastest bot on the market right now. So if you want to get in super quickly, you do want to use this Nova click feature. And if we go into an actual ticker, this is what it looks like. So you get this Nova add-on panel where you can essentially trade the token using Nova while looking at the charts and any other additional information on BullX NEO or any other trading bot that you prefer. Now let me quickly delete the Nova Click extension so I can show you exactly how to download it and set it up. So what you want to do is obviously sign up to Nova with the link down below. When you then open the main menu, you have this option which says Nova Click. Just click on that, then click on the download option. You get sent over to the Chrome marketplace, add the Nova extension, and then it will show up as an extension. But before you open it and enable it, you need to open this guide, go to setting up. Then under setting up the extension, open this link right here. You need to connect the extension to your Telegram to make sure you're trading with the same wallet. So click on connect. It'll then take you over to Telegram. Click on launch Nova Click. Then it says success, and you can then check the connection to make sure everything is good. It says here ready, so that's fantastic. What you can then go ahead and do is open the extension, click enable, then this is what it will look like. So here you can choose your own presets, your quick buy option. Right here, this is the quick buy that will show up on BullX, etc. You can enable the Nova panel. So if I now refresh BullX, you can see that this now shows up. This is the Nova panel. Then if we go back to Neo Vision, as you can see, you have these quick buy features, and you also get a sniping feature once one of these tokens migrate over to Raydium. Now you might run into an issue where BullX or different trading bots basically ban this extension. So what you want to then do is go back to the guide I just showed you, go to the Chrome extension workaround. You need to download this file, save the extension and unzip the file. Then you need to go to Chrome extensions. I'll show you what that looks like. Enable developer mode in the top right corner, then click on load unpacked and add the file you just downloaded. Then you need to pin Nova Click, and then you're pretty much good to go. That's a workaround. So once that is done, you can use Nova Click like I've just shown you right here. All right, one thing I did forget to mention is that Nova recently came out with some sick new features on their Nova Click as well. They now allow you to quick buy tokens in Discord. So this is in Discord. If anyone shares a ticker, you have the Nova quick buy option directly on Discord. Even on Twitter. This is in my Twitter DMs. This guy shared a ticker. I have the quick buy option right here. I can click buy, processing, success. That's how easy it is to buy tokens using Nova Click. And then one last thing I do want to show you is this auto buy feature. This essentially allows you to snipe or buy any contract address that you paste into the bot. So as soon as you paste a CA into this bot, it will instantly buy it super quickly. So what you want to do is you want to add a rule. So you need to set the market cap. I'm going to set a minimum of 1K, maximum of 999 million. Basically want it to be unlimited. Then you need to set however much you want to buy for. I'm going to put 0.1 Solana. Then you need to enable it right here. Now it is enabled. So let's go back to BullX NEO. Let's just copy a random address, paste it in to the bot, and there you go. It essentially buys the token right away. So it's super quick, way quicker than buying it on your other trading bots, and it makes it super quick and easy to get in and out of trades. And if you want to sell, just click sell 100% right here and it instantly gets out. And that's essentially all the sniping features that Nova has in their trading bot. Nova is taking over. It's certainly one of the best trading bots on the market right now. I'm using it fairly actively. This Nova Click feature is a game changer as well. So if you want to sign up, get instant access, make sure you use the code Ragnar for access, or just sign up with the link down below and you will also get instant access. You can also check out my BullX NEO code down below for 10% less fees on BullX NEO if you're still not signed up. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe down below. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later.